Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I'm Nabeel Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. In this video, I will show you how to design, how to model roof glazing in Revit. So, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video. So, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have come in library Revit website. Then I will download this roof glazing and then I will go to insert and upload this load into the project for my project, and then I will click component, place a component, and you can see this is a roof glazing, a new modern roof glazing I add in this room. Okay, in this roof, then I will go to click this roof glazing and elevation from the level. I set the elevation from the level 10 feet and 6 inches. Then I will go to 3D, and as you can see, this is roof glazing shown here. Okay, so as you can see, this is a roof glazing shown here, and I adjust this roof glazing and cut the roof under the roof glazing. Okay, so I double click in this roof glazing, and I move this roof, and I select rectangle, and I create rectangle here like this. So then I finish edit mode. Then as you can see, I will show you this. As you can see, roof glazing and cut area of a roof is done. So this is how you can add your roof glazing in roof area, new modern roof glazing. Okay, so I add here camera, and I will show you how what is roof glazing I add here in this room. So as you can see, this is your roof glazing uh, I add here in this room. Okay, so this is a very amazing roof glazing, new modern style roof glazing here I add. So as you can see, okay, so this is your roof glazing, as you can see. So how this is you add roof glazing in this room in Revit. So keep supporting, subscribe.